Before starting this video, in case if you're not subscribed my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Now you can also follow and contact me via Instagram and Facebook. The link will be given in the description. These are the topics which we will cover in today's video.
So the things which we need are RFID and these tags, as well as we need a servo motor and arduino IDE with certain jumper wires for this connection. So this is RFID. This stands for radio frequency identification. This system consists of mainly two parts. One is a transponder or a tag, and then a reader. So this is the reader and this is a transponder or the tag. So a reader consists of a radio frequency module and the antenna, which generates high frequency electromagnetic field. So on the other hand, this is a tag which uses a passive device, meaning it doesn't contain a battery. So this is a passive tag. It instead contains a microchip that stores and processes information, and antenna to receive and transmit the signals. So basically this is a hardware view where RFID module, which is RC522, is one of the most inexpensive module which you can get in a very cheap amount, and it basically comes with a tag. This key fob has a 1 kilobyte of memory, and you can store your secret messages in that. It is basically designed for 13.56 megahertz electromagnetic field to communicate with RFID tags, and it has a microcontroller over 4 serial peripherals with the maximum data of 10 mbps. So coming towards the pinout, here the VCC, here we are giving the supply of 3.3 volts and the reset pin. So here the reset pin is to power down or reset the device, and then comes the ground pin, which is need to be connected to the ground of Arduino. Then comes the IRQ pin, which is the interrupt pin, which can alert the microcontroller when the RFID comes in contact with this. And then comes the MISO, which is a master in slave out. And then comes the SCK, which is a serial clock which accepts the clock pulse. And then comes the SDA, which is a signal input when a SPI interface is available. Basically, SPI is a serial peripheral interface where the interface bus is commonly used to send the data between the microcontroller to small peripherals. So this is a brief description about this. So now these are the connection. Here we are giving a supply of 3.3 volts and a ground connection with these ports of RFID to the Arduino, and you can just plug it or you can just solder it if you want. And now here I have connected male to male jumper wires to this. So here I am give a connection of ground connection over here, and I'm going to give a supply of 5 volts over here, and then a signal pin over the third pin over here. So these are the connections which we are going to do, and I'm going to just solder this part. The servo motor stands. Then I press the reset button just to see if the servo motor runs. It runs after 4 seconds. Then I'm going to use this RFID guide. The servo motor runs after 7 seconds. And then again this.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe.